Hi everyone, I know it's been a while since I've done a video. I've been having some health issues. I have developed a new allergy to an unidentified food or food coloring or something like that, and it would cause my face to swell up and my voice become hoarse. So I naturally didn't want to be in front of the whole world. But they finally got it under control with some medication where my symptoms aren't so bad, and I'm back. So this time I'm going to be doing a fall centerpiece. Today I'm going to be doing a sign to go on top of the base. And this base, if you're new to the channel, I have done a video on how I make these vases, and I will put a link up above, and I'll also put it down in the description. So, I was going to show you something. So what I was going to do is I'm going to put a sign up here that says Happy Fall, and then of course I'm going to put all my little goodies up here to decorate with. But for today I'm just going to be doing a few things. One of them I'm going to be doing the sign, putting it together. You can buy a sign saying Happy Fall at the Dollar Tree. They're very pretty, but I wanted to do something a little different. I like the chalkboard look, so I picked up a chalkboard. I also picked up some of these really cool burlap leaves, and this was at my grocery store, and I got it half price for just a couple of dollars. And what I'm going to do is take these little cute scarecrows off, and I'm going to put them on skewer sticks to put in the arrangement. And I'll probably save this bamboo for something else later, but I thought it'd be really cool to use these little pieces to put on the sign with the burlap. So I'm going to take those off real quick. Go ahead and see if I can get these jokers off. There we go. They're just glued on with hot glue. I love the little corn husk on them. It's really cute. Okay, and of course I got a couple of these leaves. I'm using 3. When you're decorating, usually you go by the rule 3. And for the chalkboard, I've got, set these aside for a second, chalkboard pen. What I did is I got on my computer and I looked up different ways you can write the letters. I did it with, see if you can see, I did it with a pencil first to make sure that I don't overlap or make it one word too big and can't find the other word, which I'm good at. And now I'm going to use this chalk pen that I have got at, make sure it's, oh yeah, that I have gotten at, like, I think it was Michael's. But I've seen these also in the Dollar Tree, just not this brand. So now I'm going to put like happy, and then fall. Okay, this is where you can have a little fun. You can do anything to it. I'm going to make one side thicker, just like so. Make this one a little bit bigger. Make this side, let's see, I like that. And it don't have to be perfect, because that's the point of this. It's just try to be a little creative. I see I smushed there, but that's okay. And this is really cool, I think. Make this side thicker. There we go. Happy Fall. And just let it dry for a second, then I can go ahead and just put the leaves on. So I don't know if you can see that. Yes, you can. I'm gonna put this way too. Yeah. I just like that chalkboard look. That's just to my taste, to my preference. Okay, I'm gonna take some of these neat burlap leaves and I'm gonna kind of play with it and figure out where I want them. It's got a wire backing so you can bend them, give them a little shape, a little twist. I think I like that one there. We'll do that with this one. And you can actually have it where it goes in the back a little bit too. See, it's still drying, so I'll go ahead and put this one on real quick. Let's see, I'm gonna dab it right there. Twist it. Get like that, sit on there real quick. What I might do with these ends is take like a pencil or a skewer stick. Let's see if I got a thick one here. Yes, I do. Be real cool. I should have done this before. You just take it and twist it around and it'll look like, yeah, like a little bit of a vine. Go ahead and put glue on this spot right here. Put that on. There we go. Let that dry for a second. And I'm going to go ahead and shape this guy over here. And I'm going to go ahead and twirl. Because this is good if you're going to be putting it on like a wreath or an arrangement. But since it's just going to be glued to the sign and that's left over, instead of cutting it off, I thought I'd take advantage of it and make it look like a little twig. And see, how do I want this guy? I think I like it like that. Yeah. Do it that side. Uh-oh. Glue stick. Put that down. So that's all good. Let's see, I want one more. Going the opposite way. Again, I'm going to twirl the extra wire instead of cutting it off. Let's see. I think I like it have a little bit like this. I think this will look cool. Don't want to cover the word, so I'm going to put that leaf, that part that's going to cover the H, I'm going to put that on the back, and that'll look cool on the back like that. So maybe, I think that'll look cool. And you'll see why I'm doing this in a minute when I add the other leaves. So I don't really want to glue that one down too much. I'm going to glue the back on. See if I get that on there. Just want to slide out on me. There we go. There we go. Got little glue webs everywhere. Get rid of those real quick. And if this smears a little bit, you know, you can always go back with the chalk pen and do it. So far, it's looking really cute. Really, really cute. So now I'm going to add a little color to it and use these little pieces that I wouldn't have used. And I love the cornstalk. I'm going to figure out where to put those. I thought put one right here. I'm just going to play with this real quick. So color leaves. Ooh, pretty sunflower. That might look good like that. I think so. I like that. Maybe the other way. And see, and it's giving it layers with the burlap leaves on the bottom. It gives it extra texture and layers. Let's see if we can do this guy like right here. I think I like that. Yeah. Not sure about this guy yet. Maybe to give it a little extra. Oh, there we go. We'll put it together like that. So I'll go ahead and glue that on real quick to glue it together. Oh, stay, Mr. Glue Gun. Yeah, I think I like that. Oh, just so you figure out how to put this. Right, I think that's it. That's where I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and put quite a bit of glue, a generous amount. Let's sit there for a second. Twist some of this around. I might use this to hold some down. And for this one, I want this one right here with the leaves. I'm going to go ahead and glue the leaves on there. Just like that. Put some glue in there. And just hold that down. I may have to play with that leaf because it's covering my phone. It's no problem. No problem. Scissor time. Got it. I still want to use it, so I'm going to put it further in there just to give it, play with it here. Oh, I like it right there. Okay. Put some glue on there. Put it in there where I had it. Oh yeah, see the beautiful layers. And put that up like that. I don't see where I put my chalk pen. Roll off somewhere. There it is. Touch this up real quick. Give it a nice oh no. We have to tuck that sucker away. Let's see if we can do that. There we go. Pretty. I'm going to cover our H. Now get all these glue webs off. All right, there we go. Real quick sign for fall. Just get some of these glue webs off. Oh, that's pretty. Very, very pretty. And just simple. You could keep on, you can take some fabric and put fabric around. That would make it very, very pretty. I don't have my fabric on hand with me, but that would actually look pretty good to do like a little border of ribbon around right there, and I might do that. Let's see. I do have this really cool, like glittery ribbon, so you could really dress it up and just do it. But for now, I think I like it just to keep it simple. And what I do to get it on here, so I lay this down, and I will put it on top of here and glue it. And I've got these leftover little weights that I'm going to put, so that way it'll help it stay even. So I'm going to put glue on this guy. Yeah. And on the back of the sign, what I might go back and do is glue some more little decorative flowers or something, or leaves on it. So it looks, make sure you got it straight. I'm using my board here. Would be fun to be a little crooked though. And there we go. I think that's right. So once it's glued onto here, then we can do the rest of the arrangements, and that will be in another video. So thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you want to see me finish this fall centerpiece. And then I have Halloween coming, and it's going to be so fun. I'm excited about it. So I'll see y'all later. Thanks. Bye.
All done?